Today we are diving deep into one of the most anticipated releases in the world of overlanding and luxury adventure vehicles, the Toyota Camper Van 6x6 Hybrid 2026. This is not just another camper van. It's a full-blown, purpose-built adventure platform that fuses Toyota's legendary reliability with cutting-edge hybrid technology and an entirely reimagined approach to living on the road. Right from the first glance, it becomes obvious that this van has been designed to dominate in every category: performance, comfort, efficiency, and style. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Toyota Camper Van 6x6 Hybrid commands attention with its bold and futuristic stance. It's longer and slightly taller than most conventional camper vans, giving it a road presence that instantly sets it apart. The design language is sleek yet muscular, with aerodynamic lines running along the body to reduce drag and improve efficiency, even for a vehicle of this size. Toyota has gone with a reinforced aluminum body structure paired with composite panels that not only reduce weight but also resist corrosion, making this van a perfect fit for both humid coastal environments and arid desert landscapes. The color palette includes deep metallic finishes and earth tone matte options, with customizable two-tone schemes that reflect its rugged yet premium appeal. LED matrix headlights and dynamic LED tail lamps don't just look beautiful. They provide adaptive beam patterns for maximum visibility in all terrains. The front bumper integrates a high-clearance approach angle with a skid plate system, and the 6x6 wheel layout ensures maximum traction in the most challenging off-road conditions. Each wheel is shod in all-terrain tires with run-flat technology, and the vehicle rides on a fully adjustable air suspension system that can lift for off-road clearance or drop for highway stability and fuel efficiency. Under the hood, or rather, under the body, the Toyota Camper Van 6x6 Hybrid features a sophisticated hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 gasoline engine with two electric motors. One motor is dedicated to the front axle while another assists the middle and rear axles, providing a combined output of over 500 horsepower and more than 800 Newton-meters of torque. This means it's not only powerful but also efficient, delivering long-range cruising capabilities without compromising on acceleration or off-road grunt. The hybrid system offers multiple driving modes: EV mode for silent, emissions-free travel in eco-sensitive areas, hybrid mode for a balance of power and efficiency, and power mode for maximum performance when climbing steep grades or towing. The regenerative braking system captures energy on descents and during braking, storing it in the high-capacity battery pack for later use. Toyota claims a combined range of over 900 kilometers on a single tank and full battery, making it an ideal vehicle for remote expeditions. Inside the cabin, the 2026 camper van sets a new standard for mobile living. As soon as you step in, you're greeted by an open, airy layout that feels more like a high-end apartment than a vehicle. The interior design draws from Japanese minimalism, Scandinavian functionality, and luxury yacht craftsmanship. You'll find sustainably sourced bamboo surfaces, soft-touch recycled leather upholstery, and smart ambient lighting that adapts to the time of day. The flooring is made from marine-grade composite wood, which is both water-resistant and highly durable. The driver's cockpit is a tech lover's dream, with a panoramic digital dashboard that merges a customizable 15-inch infotainment screen with a 12-inch driver display. Toyota's latest AI-assisted navigation system provides real-time terrain mapping, weather updates, and even recommends camp spots based on your preferences. A head-up display projects key data onto the windshield, and the steering wheel integrates haptic feedback for alerts without distracting you from the road. Advanced driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and automatic terrain selection make both highway and off-road driving incredibly easy and safe. Moving into the living space, the kitchen is a masterstroke of compact efficiency and style. It's equipped with a dual-burner induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, a smart refrigerator-freezer combo, and an integrated water purification system. Storage is abundant, with modular cabinets and hidden compartments that make the most of every available inch. Opposite the kitchen is a cozy dining area that converts into an additional sleeping space when needed. The main sleeping area is located at the rear, where a full-size memory foam bed sits on a power lift platform. This design allows you to raise the bed and reveal a massive underbed storage compartment, perfect for bikes, outdoor gear, or even a compact folding kayak. Above the bed, a panoramic skylight offers breathtaking views of the night sky, and blackout shades ensure complete privacy and darkness when you want it. The climate control system uses a hybrid heat pump that can run off the battery for hours, keeping the interior comfortable without idling the engine. The bathroom is another standout feature, featuring a fully enclosed shower with a rainfall head, a composting or cassette toilet, and a vanity with a touchless faucet. Surfaces are finished in antimicrobial, easy-to-clean materials, and there's even a heated towel rack for that extra touch of comfort. From a utility standpoint, the Toyota Camper Van 6x6 Hybrid is a powerhouse. It offers an integrated roof-mounted solar array that can generate up to 1.5 kilowatts of power, feeding directly into the van's battery and auxiliary systems. Multiple USB-C and AC outlets are placed throughout the cabin, ensuring your devices are always powered. There's also a smart energy management system that automatically prioritizes essential systems and alerts you before power runs low. For adventurers, the van comes with an integrated winch, a roof rack system, side awnings, and even an extendable rear deck for outdoor lounging or cooking. What really sets this van apart is the way it blends capability with comfort. Many 6x6 off-roaders feel like stripped-down utility vehicles, but Toyota has engineered this to be a legitimate luxury home on wheels that just happens to be able to go places most RVs could never dream of. Whether you're traversing muddy backroads, climbing rocky trails, or cruising along the highway, the suspension and hybrid powertrain make the ride smooth and quiet. The 6x6 drivetrain and torque vectoring ensure you're never stuck, while the regenerative hybrid system means you can travel responsibly, and with a much smaller environmental footprint than traditional expedition rigs. In short, the Toyota Camper Van 6x6 Hybrid 2026 is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement. It's a promise that you don't have to compromise between luxury and adventure, between performance and sustainability. It represents a future where the spirit of exploration meets cutting-edge engineering, where every journey is as comfortable as it is thrilling. For anyone serious about overlanding, long-term road travel, or simply having the ultimate escape vehicle, this is going to be one of the most desirable options on the market. If you want, I can also create an extended cinematic-style version of this script with slower pacing and richer sensory details, so it fills a 20-minute video runtime. That would make it feel like a real high-end YouTube documentary review of the van. Would you like me to prepare that next?